They said you got what you bargained for, but what I got was a broken heart instead. But I never thought the bargain would break my heart this way. I gave my all, I trusted, I loved, I believed in vows that you abandoned. When I spoke my truth, you ran. When I showed my heart, you hid behind the lies. You kept her close, lavished her with gifts, attention, praise, while I was left in silence and shadows. I bled in quiet, hurt in heavy waves, watching the one I loved turn cold, turn away. Excuses piled like walls, each lie a weight I carried. But then I found my voice. I found my power. I found myself. I said it again so you hear me. I found my voice. I found my power. I found myself. No more waiting, no more bending, no more hoping for what never was. I walked away. I said goodbye, and in that moment, I reclaimed my heart. Now I rise, stronger, wiser, unshakable.